All right, and then Roy's going to get us up there too. All right, who's ready to get in the water, huh? All right, we got a couple minutes to kill. Who wants to sing first? No? Karaoke? I think the motor officer is going to put in a request, right? Get it on speaker? So I do want to thank Irvine PB for coming out here. Can we give him a big round of applause? He's over here sweating in that uniform right now, I know. He wishes he was in this awesome shirt over here, getting ready to dip his toes in the water, right? Everybody's got their shirt, everybody's got their torch, right? Hold them up high, let me see those torches. Let me see that. That was nice. That looks really nice. All right. Feel free to...
A little video, yeah, so just either side. Oh, darn it.
Don't leave out the motor.
Yay!
I put Mark right there. It's going to pass by you.
Oh, good, good.
Are you going to be on the golf also, October? Columbus?
On the what?
Columbus.
On the what?
Golf, the golf tournament.
Oh, I don't know. I've never done that. Maybe.
It's going to be, they always do in Mission.
I'll probably be bowling.
Yeah, bowling.
I thought this year.
Mike is going. He got chosen to go. Lakewood?
Board member for Special Olympics. Can I see any of the board members that are here? Like, Alan, raise your hand. Thank you to all of our board members that came out to support Special Olympics. Very special thanks to Stacy, Christina, and Frank, Tom,
All right.
Abby, Ryan Watson, the committee. Great job. Did they not do a great job today, huh? Is this exciting? So you're all out here to support a great cause. The most important thing are our athletes, and we have so many athletes here. Let's see all the athletes. Raise your hands. Can you guys cheer? All right. Whatever it is we do, everything we're about, it's all about the athletes. So I want to thank, let's see all the law enforcement that's here. Raise your hand if you're law enforcement. Yeah. Thank you guys and ladies every day for putting it on the line. Our professional staff, our volunteers, and our law enforcement officers. We appreciate you so much. I know it's a difficult job having retired myself from law enforcement, so thank you for all you do. We're going to have a great time today, so another big hand for the committee. Stacy, great job, huh? And I know you're going to hear from our CEO, Kelly Pond, in a little bit. She's an awesome leader. Kelly, raise your hand.
Do we have to
Last but not least, don't forget, when you go up to high five the turtle, he's only got 4, so you can only give him 4. We're only doing high 4s today. Sorry, guys. So let's have a great time, and let's have a lot of fun. And thank you. If you don't already know it, last year, law enforcement raised over $1,200,000 for Special Olympics.
All right.
Since inception in Southern California, almost 25 million. So let's give it again for law enforcement. Thank you for all you do.
All right, are we ready to get it started this morning? All right. I think we should do a little is fun, right? What should we start at? Like 1? 5. All right, we're gonna start at 5. All right? Or should we start at 4? Because Congo only has 4. Let's do 4. Let's do 4. Ready? All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the river. All right, hold those torches high. Let's get ready to party.
Give me that. Give me one. All right. All right. Let's go. Open the torch. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. Here we go. All right. Flow with the flame. All right. All right, everybody. Float it. Float it. How you doing? Good, good. Load it, baby. All right. What do you want to say? Anything? You're live, Francisco. Cisco.
It's hot though.
I know, it is hot.
Fun on this story though.
Cisco's a long-time Special Olympian, photographer, social media guru, you name it. This is the man right here. All right.
Sit down.
All right. Oh yeah, sure.
Facing that.
Facing that way. Okay.
Facing me in the background is
Okay, you got it.
on the shade.
Hey, come on in. You come in. You come in.
Mark, he wants Mark and Greg.
Oh, okay. Mark and Greg. Gotcha. I thought he wanted you in there.
Stand up is straight, Mark. We went to Mark at the World Games.
Oh,
And then
okay.
you didn't join us on the ship, huh?